Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I am Daedran. Security tight for highly anticipated Long Walk to Freedom concert. As the momentum builds for the first leg of Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom tour, event organizers have outlined the safety and security measures at a special media briefing held this morning at the Pegasus Hotel in Kingston.
The environs of Hero Circle will be properly secured. We'll be lighting it up. When you get down there, it's almost as if it will be day in the night. The JSF and our private security will be monitoring the areas.
Road closures were also outlined in an effort to keep the vicinities surrounding the National Stadium as free as possible.
Sections of Mountain View, like the intersection of Mountain View and Dinnery Road, would be closed with limited access. Similarly for Arthur Wind and Mountain View. Also for at the intersection of Stanton Terrace and Roosevelt Avenue, and Latham Avenue and Old Hope Road, North Avenue and Old Hope Road, and Tom Redcom and Arthur Wind Drive.
Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom concert is scheduled for March 16 at the National Stadium in Kingston. See you there. Dancehall fraternity defends Michael Jackson. Dancehall heavyweights Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer have defended music icon Michael Jackson following a damning Oprah Winfrey Presents After Neverland interview. The interview follows the premiere of a two-part docuseries Leaving Neverland, which tackles sexual abuse allegations. It focuses primarily on two accusers who allege that they were abused by Michael Jackson when they were children. In response, Bounty Killer has chided Michael Jackson's critics for going back to his past, making reference to his undisputed musical accolades, while also noting that he was never found guilty of any crime. Vybz Kartel posted a clip of Robin Roberts reporting on Michael Jackson's case, stating that nobody cares about the truth when the accusation is more entertaining. Now in news overseas, for the love of R. Kelly, some of the women who were romantically involved with the embattled singer R. Kelly have spoken out in support of the singer. During part 2 of Gayle King's interview with R. Kelly on CBS this morning, Kelly's girlfriends, 21-year-old Azriel Clary and 23-year-old Joycelyn Savage, maintain that their parents are scamming the bump and grind singer.
When I first met Robert, my parents told me to lie about my age. So when I met him, he thought that I was 18. My parents told me to lie about my age to him.
You're saying the same as they?
Well, both of our parents are basically out here. They're trying to get money and scam.
Both women's families have complained that Kelly is controlling them. The interview is a follow-up to the Gayle King explosive interview with Kelly surrounding allegations of sexual abuse, which signaled the first time the 52-year-old singer has publicly addressed the allegations.
This is not me, y'all. I'm fighting for my life. Y'all killing me with this. I gave y'all 30 years of my career.
Robert.
30 years of my career. Y'all trying to kill me.
That's it for the weekend edition of ePrime. Remember to check us out on the Cross Country Roadshow. We're coming to Manchester this weekend. See you then. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.